Hey guys, and by guys I mean girls, because this is more for girls. But hey, I suppose there's going to be some guys out there that might want these tips, because this is a nail trick tip, and yeah. Do you ever like want rainbow nails, but you only have two colors or three colors, and you don't really want to like go buy freaking like seven, jars of nail polish because it's expensive? Well, you don't have to, and I'm going to show you how. My nail's ready. And yeah, unless you're a tree and you're like rooted in the ground, you can always leave if you don't like me. So, bye. And yeah, if you're a tree, well, then guess you're stuck and you're going to have to watch me. But yeah, clean nails. And I suppose you could use, well, maybe, I suppose you can't because I haven't tried, but make sure you have, or don't make sure, but I recommend Faber Faber Castell. I don't these, you know what I mean. And yeah, just pick your favorite colors and yeah, just start coloring the nails separately. And I'm gonna speed it up a bit because it's gonna take like a while. Because I recommend you go over every single nail like twice. And yeah, I'm gonna like speed it up and then I'm gonna tell you what to do next. One nail number one. And this is where the hat comes in. Because you're probably like, what's the point of this? I'm literally just coloring in my nails with markers and it's just going to come off. Well, it's not, because this is all you need. Just get a quality top coat gloss, and then you're just going to paint over your colors like one coat. If it's a good quality one, like this is OPI, and it's just a clear top coat gloss, high gloss. And yeah, make sure the marker's dry butt, and we're just going to do one coat. Right over the color. See? And we're just going to do one coat right over the color. And if the marker's dry, well, with the markers that I use anyway, it doesn't bleed into the clear gloss. So as you can tell, see, it stays clear. Because if you don't wait for it to dry, then the colors can bleed, and then it's just going to ruin your colors. Okay, I've finished with the top coat, so now I reckon we should go outside and dry the nails, and then we can have a proper look in the natural light and see how they look. Let's go.